COVID-19 in its many guises and strands is still with us, as is the uneasiness and in some cases darkness that it has brought with it. In herbal guides from around the world, there are medicines to be found that are antibacterial, antimicrobial, immunity-building, antidepressant, anti-anxiety, sleep-promoting, and relaxing. These earth medicines come from trees, their bark, pods, roots, leaves, and flowers, as well as plants and herbs that we can engage with in order to achieve better mental and physical health, in addition to good hygiene. So it is with great pleasure that I announce my 4 Seasons of Mojo has been revived and is now represented to the inquiring mind by Wiser Books. Hats off also to the book's illustrator for a breathtaking cover image that so clearly encapsulates the words, thoughts, and themes being put forth in what is now called African American Magick, a modern grimoire for the natural home. Through the 4 seasons of recipes, herbs, and rituals in this book, we envision the new title, African American Magick, a subject which we need to delve into further here before you get started in the larger body of the text. There is a complex, rich, and vast corpus of knowledge within the topic of African American magic. It cannot be painted with a broad brush. Through lived experience, ancestral stories, and the legacy built on precious memories, each of us, whether listener, practitioner, author, or any combination of those, bring original thoughts and interpretations of African American magic. The folklore, traditions, mythology, spirituality, and healing ways of Black people is held in the hands of our diaspora to hold close or share as we see fit. Some of the magic of this book comes from the number 4 of the elements, which are employed in the work, as well as the seasons and major life passages. This book frames its contribution to the understanding of African American magic with a specific setting, the home. In the home, the practical, also referred to as mundane, and the spiritual, which may also be sacred, merge. As you go through this book, physically or metaphorically, experiencing its melange of ashe, seasonal magic, life passages, and matters of the home, an enrichment in the form of a grimoire manifests. Since practicing herbalism, aromatherapy, and magic making of various types, I have found the grimoire to be an essential tool. It is also an extension of my magic making. The grimoire is ancient and contemporary, now and later, like the Iwas of Haiti and the dreamings of Australia. It holds an ever-living, evolving history. The grimoire shapes and molds while capturing what may someday be legacy. Therefore, the subtitle of this book, A Modern Grimoire for the Natural Home, is important. Though there are elements of history, ancestry, and legacy embodied and shared, this and all my books thrive on the concept of modernity. Their contemporary spirit will inevitably shine through because they are not carefully crafted regurgitations. Instead, they are built on interpretation and deep thought. As you enter this text, bring an open and curious heart and mind. Through your openness and curiosity, combined with your willingness to experiment and try new things, the listener experience expands. By taking notes in your own grimoire, which can be a book, as simple or fancy as you'd like it to be, the corpus expands and stays alive. Together, we, the people of the African diaspora, make African American magic what it is. African American magic is one of my contributions to this knowledge base. Listen, absorb, experiment, try things. Let what you need in as you live your best green life in step with Mama Nature. Ashe and green blessings. Stephanie Rose Bird. Chapter 1. The Magic and Mystery of the Seasons. African American Magick, a modern grimoire for the natural home, examines the magical ability of the seasons to enhance our lives. Like most of my